Research shows that common family hassles are kids not helping around the house, two, they're ignoring limits on electronics, and three, they're arguing and delaying going to bed or getting out of the house in the morning. Hi, I'm Cynthia Klein, family happiness expert for 30 years. Daily hassles are a drain and cause extra stress on you and everyone in your family. You might be thinking, why can't everyone get along? In my workshop, Family Hassle to Harmony, you'll learn a unique and proven parenting approach that gives you more positive power rather than arguing to manage daily issues with ease. I look forward to seeing you at the workshop. Please see below for details. You don't want to miss learning about this revolutionary approach to creating greater family harmony.